topic is select subset from multiple columns in the data frame. Okay. Now what is the meaning of subset? Subset here refers to portion of data that is stored in the data frame. Okay. Now as I told you that learning objective and success criteria should be clear to all of you. So our main learning objective for this class is that understand how we can access the rows or columns from the data frame. Okay. And in the meantime you must note down the LO and SC, that is learning objective and success criteria. Now see, success criteria for a student is not one dimensional. It can be multidimensional, because success does not mean that if you understand the topic you will be able to script the code. So there are different stages of success for this particular module. What is it? First, if you understand how to access data from rows and columns, it rather means that you must understand, or rather able to script codes using loc, that is location label, row label or column label, and also means you must understand iloc. What is iloc? Index of location, that is position based access should be also clear. So are we clear about the LO and SC terms? Now let us start the main topic. First, what is the meaning of accessing subset of data from multiple columns? Please refer to the flow chart. To access multiple rows or columns, now we are just not talking about a row, we are talking about row and column both. So in order to access that, we must provide two entities, the start row, the stop column, or the start row or the stop. It is not like it has to be row only. It can be a column also. So either start row, stop row, or start column, stop column. Understood? Now to understand the syntax of how we can access multiple rows or columns, let us refer to the syntax. The syntax is df object.loc. What is df object? It can be anything. It can be df, it can be df1, it can be d1. It refers to the variable basically. What variable you are using. Is that clear? Alright. After that you have to mention the start row and the stop. Alright. Is that clear? Now import pandas as PD, that is stage 1, that you all must have known by now. Okay. Every time we need to do this. Now let us make the session a bit interactive. Gaurav, you first tell me what form of dictionary this is. You don't have to be correct, just identify. Are there multiple dictionaries here? Yes? So, what is this form of dictionary called? When multiple dictionaries, let's say. Nested dictionary, well done. So, in nested dictionary now, Devankita, you tell me what is ABC, XYZ, PQR here? They are the index. And what are they actually? They are the keys, right? So, nested dictionary, my dear students. So, nested dictionary is made up of multiple dictionaries, we understand that. So, here, multiple dictionaries in this regard, the first key will act as the column label. Please note it down. The first key of nested dictionary will act as column label. The first key of nested dictionary will act as column label. And whereas all the other keys that you can see, all the other keys will be acting as row label. So that means books, purchase, issue, order are what? They are the individual rows. Is that clear? Tenzin? Books, purchase, issue, order are the individual rows. Alright? Now, concluding this portion, df equals to pd.dataframe, lib. Okay. What will this display? It will display that entire data frame. Okay. But now, here is the syntax or the implementation of df.loc, that is issue : purchase. What it will generate? Any idea? What is issue and purchase? Jagmak, tell me what is issue and purchase?
Sir, purchase means buying.
No, I am not talking about the meaning here. What are issue and purchase here? Are they the keys, or these keys are acting as row level? Row level, okay? So what it will generate? df.log issue colon purchase will generate what? It will generate nothing but, see here. First, see what it will generate. It will rather generate this output. In the first implementation, it will first generate all the column names. So what are the column names? It will first come here, ABC. Okay. Then second column name is XYZ. Then third column name is PQR. Okay. Now in alphabetical sequence, it is given issue purchase. So by alphabetic sequence, I comes first, then P, isn't it? So you have to write in alphabet sequence, issue, then purchase. Then all the data of issue and purchase of ABC will come here. So what is the purchase value of ABC? Purchase value is 15,000. So in the exam, suppose output is coming here, you need to circle like this. What is the issue value here? 1200. Now mention the data over there. So issue is how much? 1200. So 1200 goes here. Purchase is how much? 15,000. 15,000 goes here. Got it? Understood how you have to do? Now let us make it interactive then. Ishika, tell me what will be the value of issue and purchase of XYZ. Issue and purchase of XYZ. 15,000 and 1100. Good. So it will go here, right? So what will go first? Issue 1100 and then 15,000. Is that clear? Now, Shiny, you tell the last one please. That is issue colon purchase for PQR.
1080 is issue.
1080, okay.
And purchase is
12,500. 1080 and 12,500. In this way, we can, access multiple data from rows and columns.